So today we're looking for a subdivision plat of Ponderosa to identify where the telegraph office originally was located. So we're at leeclerk.org. So you're going to click on departments. You're going to go down over here to search official records. Click on that. You're going to click on search official records there. Wow. Okay, now we want a plat, but we're going to go to name and we're going to hit accept. And I'm going to put in, whoops, I'm just going to put in Punta right now. I spelled that right. Ponderosa?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm going to go back to 1901.
Oh my gosh, okay.
And I know it was there by 1920. So you always have to change your beginning and ending search. Now, I'm going to hit submit.
Well, more importantly, what does that
Okay. And here's a plat.
Oh my gosh.
So
okay.
this is 1917 when it was recorded. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, now, I'm going to tell you something about the surveyor. Actually, I'm researching his house right now. J.A. Davison and Son. Joseph and his son was Harry.
Okay.
And they were fabulous, fabulous surveyors because they documented everything. So you can click on this to make it bigger, and I know where it is.
Right. We all look at different areas.
Right there.
You can't tell me exactly.
So,
Can you see?
if you're
Can I enlarge that?
right there, yep. Okay.
No, where?
So it
W.
is in lot 6. So you would want to look at a map today for this particular subdivision for lot 6.
Now, what does that say? W. Is that the Western Union?
Yes.
Telegraph. Oh, okay, got it.
Now here's the pier. There's the dock.
Okay.
So the hotel was already gone. But when they surveyed this, I believe in 1917, this was still there. So, and this was all George Schultz.
So this kind of does line up with what Richard Chappelle, he said he remembers the building looking like that.
Well, building don't look like that. That's just,
it's
that's
rectangular.
a surveyor's mark.
Yes.
Oh, because
You don't draw the building. They just mark where it was.
because it was square. The one that went to Ding Darling was square, from what I remember, because I had a picture of it at one point.
That don't matter when you're looking at this.
All right.
Okay.
So that doesn't represent a building that's
This
square.
gives the location.
Okay,
It's
got
not
it.
going to draw the building. Just not going to do that.
Okay.
These guys were fabulous.
What does this represent?
What? Oh,
What does
let's see.
what does
Oh my gosh, how adorable.
where were we?
Down. Okay, so these are the lots, okay, or maybe blocks. Okay, so here it is right there. Okay, six.
Oh, that what right there? What does that represent? That I don't
You
want to
can
touch
ask
it.
Kelly. She's a surveyor.
Kelly, what does this represent?
It could be a trail. It could be a trail.
What are y'all looking
Yeah,
at?
that's pretty
You're
fascinating.
not even on it. Okay.
What does that represent
Is
right
that
there?
is that
the
a
double line.
Probably a trail. Yeah.
See, here's the original trail on how they got here. So the surveyor, which is, Kelly knows Davison just like me, they came down. Well, at one point, I saw an overlay of this,
That would be fascinating to get the overlay.
and it showed the trail where the cattle came. But this is how the cattle came down. So anyway, if this answers your question, where exactly was the telegraph office? It's on this plat, and that's a lot, or is that a block?
6A. It says 6A.
No, it's not a section. No.
Okay.
No. The section township and range is something different.
Okay.
It might not even show up on the plat. But this is, so let's see. Oh, this wasn't International Ocean Telegraph. This is Western Union.
Western Union.
Yeah, it was Western Union.
Because the one
Although
out by
there
me
is
is owned by International
there
Ocean
is an
Telegraph. So that was a
article.
precursor to
When I was
Western Union.
when I was researching this, I found an article by the International Ocean Telegraph, and it references Ponderosa.
Yeah, so that's the name first. When they platted it, it's under
Done for
Western
George
Union.
Schultz. Okay, so all of lots, so these are lots, okay?
Okay.
Your section, township, and range is
Was Wink always in their building
9,
on- that they just moved
46,
from?
23. So if you go on that big blue thing green thing we have here, okay, so this is done here.
First
Let's go get something else.
televised
You can look on the, I
laws
wonder what